Today, we are going to draw a cool crocodile. Step 1. Let's draw a tilted letter L. This is going to be the mouse. Draw 2 straight lines connected to your L. Let's make the back. Draw a curve going up. Let's do the same thing underneath. Draw 2 small rainbows on top and draw closed eyes. Inside the mouth, draw lots of little zigzags for the teeth. Draw bigger zigzags all along the back for the spikes. Draw tiny triangles inside the body. Last step, draw 4 small feet at the bottom. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.